You can utilize zoom and pan animations inside of Camtasia, especially to explain things such as in tutorial videos. So over here, I already have a recorded footage, as you can see. Now let's work around with the zoom and pan animation in this case. I'm just going to go around and decrease out the audio level so that I'm not distracted with the audio. So over here, you can see that I got the mouse going around over here. So let's say I want to focus this around over in this area while the video is running out. In order to do that, what I can do is I can go around into the animation pane, and here you can see that there's two tabs, zoom and pan and animations. So I'm just going to start off with zoom and pan right here. So now, right now, the overall video is full screen, but what I want to do is zoom out right over here in this section, right around when the mouse goes around into this section right here, just like this, so that I can focus on this part. So I'm just going to go around, scrub it around where I want to zoom in, and then use the zoom and pan tool right here, and you can see that I can zoom in, and I can use this little thing right here to focus on where I want to zoom, just like this. So I can just zoom it around 200%, as you can see. And now what happens is that an animation is there. So you can see that this spot is where it starts and this spot is where it ends. So if I were to play this around, this is how it seems. It just zooms around over there in that section. I can also pull this around back just like that if I want the animation length to increase. So I can just go around and you can see that it slowly zooms in right over there when I do that. But if I were to actually push this in just like this, what happens is that the animation becomes faster and it zooms in just like that. And now what I want to do is I want it to pan around. Let's say, for example, it's clicking on all of these tabs right here. So I want to slowly pan out onto the right over here. So I'm just going to go around, and from over here, let's say right around till here, I want it to pan. So I'm just going to click and drag this around right over here, just like this, onto the center. And what happens is another animation is added in. So if I were to go around here, you can see that a pan happens. So I want it to slowly pan out. So I'm just going to go around right from this section, pull the point out till here, and let's see what happens now. So I have zoom in animation right there, and as I click, it slowly pans onto the right. If you really want the video recordings to be interactive, then you can do that as well. And as someone types, I'm just going to pan this down. So I'm just going to pan this down right over here on this section, and let's see how it looks like. So if I were to go over here, it zooms it out onto that section, it pans out a bit onto the right, and then what happens is that as it is about to type, it pans down and types in, just like that. And that is how it works like. And now let's say I want to zoom out, so I can just click on scale to fit, and then it zooms out just like that. So you have zoom in, you got panning right here, you got panning down, and then finally you got zoom out and fit into space just like that. And that is how you can use the zoom and pan animation to zoom in a section of your footage just like that. So let's just do that over here again. So I'm just going to just scroll this down just like that and put it right over here just like that, and that is how it works. So it just moves the mouse there, and you can see that it just zooms in just like that. And that is how you can use the zoom and pan animation inside of Camtasia. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.